Like, subscribe and get notified.
Archit Sangelkar, aged 21, son of Sandeep Sangelkar, a pygmy agent, residing at Park Hill Apartments, PDA Colony, Porvorim, was arrested after hitting a girl Judith Fernandez while driving a Mercedes SUV recklessly and leaving the victim to her fate at the accident spot in Anjuna. Archit, who is a photographer, was called by his neighbor Akshay to click photos of his Mercedes SUV since he intended to sell his vehicle by advertising on social media. Archit took the photographs and subsequently informed Akshay that his sister was participating in a competition, for which he required the car for 2 days, to which Akshay consented. 2 days later, Archit did not return the car, but instead on Tuesday, reportedly took his girlfriend for a drive to Anjuna in the vehicle. According to police reports, the accused drove the car recklessly and negligently, hitting one Judith Fernandez near the São João Chapel while returning from Gudem to Fernandez Vado, after which he fled the scene. On returning home, Archit did not notify his parents nor Akshay regarding the accident. When the news broke on social media, suspecting that his vehicle may be involved, Akshay phoned Archit. Archit then confessed that he had met with a minor accident, at which Akshay insisted that Archit return the car. While returning the car, Archit admitted that he had hit the girl at Anjuna, at which Akshay persuaded him to report it to the police. He was subsequently arrested, underwent a medical examination, and was released on bail the same night. It has been reported that Judith Fernandez, aged around 32, was doing her evening walk around 8:30 p.m. on Tuesday, when she was hit by the vehicle. She sustained serious injuries on the head, face and hip. She has been admitted to a private hospital in Mapsa and was reportedly in the intensive care unit. Anjuna police have registered a case against Archit Sangelkar, who is presently out on bail.
गोय भारत देशांतले पयले राज्य जे अपफ्रंट नेटची निदान पद्धत वापरता, जातूंतल्यान रोकडोच दुयेंतीक टीबी आसा वा ना हें कळटा. तशेंच एंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट कल्चर टेस्ट हेंवूय करता, जाका लागून दुयेंती उपचार घेतकीर पुराय बरो जाला हाची खात्री पडटा. गोय नॅशनल टीबी एलिमिनेशन प्रोग्रामान टीबी इंडेक्स स्कोरान सेगीत 2 वर्सां पहिल्या 3 क्रमांकान आयला. गोय एडल्ट बीसीजी लसीकरणाचो अभ्यास सुरू करपी पयले राज्य. दक्षिण गोय जिल्ह्याक 2022-23 वर्सा खातीर SNC खाला कांस्य पदक फावो जाला. आज गोंयान दर एक भलायकी केंद्राचेर टीबीची टेस्ट, टीबीची वखदां उपलब्ध आसात, ती बी विनामूल्य, फ्री. चला तर आमी ह्या कामाक गोंय भलायकी केंद्राक हातभार लावया आनी टीबी पुराय ना करूया. जागरूक जावया, गोंय टीबी मुक्त करूया. तुमकां जर 2 आठवड्यापेक्षा चढ खोकली येता, रातचो घाम येता, जोर येता वा तुमचें वजन अचानक कमी जाला, जाल्यार ही जावं येता टीबीची लक्षणां. पूण भिवपाची गरज ना. टीबी हो रोग आज पुराय बरो जावंक शकता. योग्य वेळा निदान केल्यार आनी न चुकता वखदां घेतल्यार ह्या रोगाचेर तुम्ही कायमची मात करूंक शकता. पूण लक्षांत दवरात, टीबी हो एक चिवट रोग. वखदां घेतकीर बरें दिसता म्हणून उपचार अर्द्यारूच सोडल्यार टीबी बॅक्टेरिया ड्रग रेजिस्टंट जावन तुमकां परत इन्फेक्ट करूंक शकता. देखून टीबी विशीं जागृत जावया आनी गोंय टीबी मुक्त करूया.